Good morning, Zach.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Where's my keys?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Gagawa ako ng breakfast for the kids and baon ni Kuya. Good morning, boys.
Good morning, Mom.
What are you doing, Zach?
Doing a cookie.
Oh, wow, well
Dad, do
done.
it to me. No, why?
No way. Hi, Holly. Good morning, my baby. Itong dalawa, very independent silang dalawa. TJ, siya na talaga nagbibihis sa sarili niya. Ayaw niyang magpabihis. So, hinahayaan ko na lang, which is good naman yan. Huh?
Mom, I want a big one.
What do you want? Honey?
Yeah, but Mom, I don't. Please, Mom.
How about you?
I want like this.
You want the whole one?
Yeah.
You don't want me to cut it?
I want a little one.
You want the square one or triangle? Gusto lang... Hey, baby! Ginagawa ko sila ng sandwich. DJ gusto niya raw honey and butter.
Mom, I know the milk in top.
Milk, okay. Oh, what did I say about chocolate?
Dad, this is my food.
Yeah, when you cup. Kuya.
Ooh. I don't know if enough, Mom.
Okay. Nagpipiknik sila dito sa sa loob. Doon sila kakain sa...
Ito, Mom.
Naglatag sila ng rugs
Dito. Mom,
sa
here.
lounge. Wait a sec. Kuya, what do you want for lunch? Huh? Pardon? Ham and cheese. You don't want cheese? Why? It's good for your brain. Yes, no cups there, so because no, you might spill in there. No, come here. That one stay here, but you can bring your bread over there. You want triangle?
Yes.
Huh? Pardon, sir? Where's your mother's? Okay. You're welcome, Zachary. So I'm gonna make Kuya's.
Lunch?
Nandito sila. What idea is this?
Mine.
Okay.
No, Dad, probably eating this.
Okay. Eat your breakfast. Louder, please.
A and B. That.
Good boy. So you read the slugs and this. Well done. So every morning, rini-review ko siya bago siya pumunta ng school. Oops. Okay, well done, Kuya. Oops. Oops, Daddy.
Oops, Kuya.
Hi, Coach. Hi. Etong kasama niya lagi. Etong nagsusundo lagi kay Kuya para maglakad sila papuntang school. Kuya. Come on. Love you.
Did you get a
Yeah, see ya, Tom.
Did you get a message?
No, I didn't today. Okay, see ya. Zach, did you say see ya? And Kuya. Okay, see ya. Be careful. Oh, well done, Zach. Be careful, okay? Watch the Garcia. Bye, Kuya. Zach, let's go clean up, Zachary. You have to help Mommy. Here. Ah. Cik Mazara. So. Tong 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 pakitong kitang alimang alimango sa dagat, malaki at masarap, mahirap mahuli, nangangagat. Okay. Gijing, gijing, gijing. Kapaching. Inom ikaw. Ang galing niya na uminom dito sa cup. Yes. Si masarap. Here, here. Eh? Come on. Yes. You watch Holly first out, okay?
Okay.
Mommy. Yes, you're gonna help mommy? Promise? Thank you. Thank you for watching Holly.
Come on, get up. Down the track. Down the track. We're gonna walk all over the place. Alright, everybody, when I say go, we move our arms like this, just like a full steam train. Alright, ready? Let's go!
Holly! Did you change your clothes?
Every day.
Explorer. Hello. leftover from last night? No, it's not gonna take long. It's already cooked. Ayaw niya kasi yung naghihintay siya ng matagal. Kaya dapat lagi akong may kanin. Tapos si Holly tulog. Nakatulog siya. O, natupi ko na yung mga tupiin. Grabe, tinulungan niya talaga ako. Yes, Alice. Have your lunch. Come on. Come on. I give your lunch. Alam niyo ba, dapat talaga akong may rice kasi si Sam. Favorite niya, rice. Rice, I love rice. Kain po. Is it what? What's the thing? Huh? Masarap. Can you say kanin? Kanin means?
Rice.
Very good. Tagalog of egg. Itlog. Say it. Itlog. Say it properly.
Itlog.
Itlog.
What?
May leftover.
Mom,
May leftover akong
what
corn at
goes
saka
in the
egg.
dialogue?
Ito na lang ang lunch ko.
What
Yes?
goes in the dialogue?
Sauce? What is sauce in Tagalog? That's a good question, Sa. Hindi ko alam sa... Salsa. O yun, salsa, I think. Tama ba? Salsa.
What mustard in the dialogue?
Mustard, not sure.
Like the other doors.
I don't know, but I think sauce is salsa.
What
I think.
sausage?
Sausage? Sausage, I think. Sausage din. Longganisa. Mahirap man para magturo ng... Kuya is here from school.
Mommy, I want to learn Tagalog.
You wanna learn Tagalog? Okay.
Rice, carrots, egg, milk,
No. Okay.
and toys.
Toys. Okay. Rice is, in Tagalog, is kanin. Can you say that? Kanin.
Honey.
What is rice?
Talking. Honey.
Kanin. Say it. Kanin.
Honey.
And then, what else?
Itlog.
Yeah, egg is itlog. Well done,
Oh my
Sak.
god.
Sak knows egg.
Egg.
Itlog.
I want egg. Itlog.
Itlog, yes.
Now carrots. And then what is that one do?
Carrot is carrots. We call that as also carrots.
Carrots.
Yeah, carrot is carrots also.
Carrot, Mom. Now my milk.
Milk. Milk is gatas. Gatas.
Mom.
Yes.
Itlog.
Yes, egg is itlog. Well done, Zaki. Listen to some. What is egg in Tagalog, TJ? Ay, Zachary? What?
Itlog.
What is kanin?
Rice.
Very good. What is gatas?
Onion.
No, what is gatas?
Milk.
So yan, magluto muna. Sa akin, nagtutortang talong ako ng may ground beef, tapos Filipino style spaghetti sa boys. Tingnan mo itong dalawa. Huy! Ito na yung Filipino style na spaghetti, tapos ito yung tortang talong na may ground beef. So, ayan. Ito na yung mga bata. Yeah, almost!
Papa, how done the dialogue?
Okay, let's close the vlog, guys. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Okay, we're gonna close the vlog. Good night, boys.
Good night.
Good night, Holly.
Good night.
Good night, Holly. Holly, good night. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Good night.
Good night, Holly.